Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with an narration video to what you call Plumpy Boss. Plumpy Boss. Drama. This is another Trinidad artist, so we're gonna check this out and see what's going on. This is the first time I ever got to react to this dude. I think someone actually told me about him and I just look it up, so let's begin.
From them, this killing then a drama. Shot post boy flat pan corner. Turn corner spread out like dog, yeah.
Yo, dude, I'm just sorry they're singing about a lot of violence, but their voices actually sound very good. I'm not gonna lie, their voice sounds so good. It kind of make you even forget that they're singing about violence. I'm not gonna lie. So if you even see me rocking, I know they're singing about violence, but they sound good, bro. They sound good. Oh, here he said red, but he said red pan fire like Hindu, you know, like Indians, that their religion, Hinduism, they have the red dot on their forehead. Okay.
Circle, pan them now stick, make we shell it down quick. Somebody at a bus up in a damn 7-piece face, mash up, lash up, heads at touch street, fi kill pussy quick. Brand new Glock make out of plastic, fi make boy flip up like acrobatic. All my best friends said cheat, now it should make a boy.
Oh, wow.
Now do a thing psychotic. Drive down for them and say the break, get them a take program, escape full of microchip. Them dead from me gonna nice sight of it. Dogs not fear, none of me dogs not care, will murder them anyway.
Man, just stop where boy and just come enjoy himself. Yo, sick.
Straight up him and I make no kind of friend. Rockstar believe in a rifle them. Boy drop can't get up in life again. Smarty send for the rose and wheat. Preacher man bring the psalm to the Bible them. This killing then a drama. Shot post boy flat. None of me dogs not care, will murder them anyway. Yeah, dog. One press. Bloom. That swear a bike a ref. Supposed to get done sub. See. I'm a DC thugs it on us to the guns up. Lash up beds.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. This dude actually sound good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Dude, listen. In time, them sound good. My brothers give them props for real, isn't it? I don't know. Now be biased and not like that. Just speak the truth, and it's actually sound good, isn't it? Actually sound good, bro. Yeah. So anyway, guys, this is the introduction video. Peace out.